All right, let me get straight to it. I'm never going to give you my top 10 stock picks. Not because I don't have opinions, not because I don't do no research, but because most people don't even realize what they're asking for when they say that. You're asking for a conclusion without even understanding how somebody got there. And that's what people mess up. When somebody give you a list, they don't know what your money look like, what your bills look like, how you react when your account start bleeding, but they still telling you what to buy. Oh shit, my bad. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. That shit right there, that's where I start asking questions. Because now that you got that list, you ain't even making a decision. You renting one. And renting decisions feel good at first because you ain't got to think. Click buy, sit back, and feel like you doing something. Until that number go down, now you confused. Now you stressed. Now you refreshing your app every 5 minutes like it owe you some answers. Ain't nothing go wrong. You just skipped the part where you was supposed to understand what the fuck you was doing. Same stock, different outcomes. That means it ain't just the stock. It's you. And I already know somebody about to be like, man, just buy good companies and hold on, bro. You overthinking it. All right, cool. Hold through what? Because that sound good until that good company drops 25 to 30%. Now you still holding or you folding? Pick one. You be sitting there watching the video, motherfucker be like, yeah, this is a great play. There go that word again, play. This is where that shit starts smelling funny. Because when you call something a play, you make it sound like a fucking game. Like that shit light. Like it's something you just try. Or I'm about to jump in this play. No, you're not. You putting real money on the line. That's what you doing. Time you work for, energy you don't even get back. So when somebody say play, they softening the risk. That's what they doing. Making it feel easier than what it actually is. And now you moving careless because mentally you think you playing. Let me tell you some real shit. If you treat money like a game, you're gonna make game-like decisions. Now I already know somebody gonna be like, it's just slang, bro, relax. Yeah, it's slang, and slang shape behavior, and you don't even realize it. And behavior determines whether or not you win or lose. So, no, I'm not relaxing on that. And I said it once before, but I'll say it again right now. I treat every dollar like a soldier, and their job is to fight to keep me and my future generations out of poverty. So, if every dollar is a soldier, why the fuck would you want to play with your soldiers? Pause. Most people ain't even got no conviction. They got borrowed confidence. You listening to somebody that sounds sharp, they got charts, they talking like they know something, so you trust it. Now you feel good. Yeah, you feel real good. Until that price start dropping like panties at a freak party. Now everything's shaky. Cause you never built that understanding yourself. If it disappears under pressure, that shit was never real. And I already know somebody gonna be like, that's why you follow people who know more than you. You ain't follow no knowledge. You follow confidence. And confidence without understanding, that shit fragile. Now let me ask you something, and don't lie. You ever watch somebody hype a stock? They be like, this the one. I'm holding this long term. This the best investment right now. Energy high, confidence high, everybody buying in. Now fast forward. That same stock doing terrible. Now what happened? They disappear or they come back talking different. Now it's the Fed did this. The news caused that. Then they pull up a Google Finance chart, zoom in, and point to perfect spots. Yeah, we got in right here, and we got a signal, and we got out right here after everything already happened. Now, this where shit start getting weird because I thought it was long term. Oh, now it's a trade. It's a trade now? Make up your fucking mind. Nah, motherfucker, you don't just get to switch the story because it didn't go how you said it would. That ain't strategy. That's damage control. And then right after that, here come the pitch. Join my community. Link will be pinned in the description box below. Get my alerts. Come join us. We making money over here. Hey, yo, who the fuck is we? Because I don't even see no real receipts. No full history. No consistency. Just screenshots, random wins, and a whole lot of talking. Meanwhile, people paying every month, buying courses, jumping on paid coaching calls for 35 minutes and still losing money. So now you're losing money and you paying money. It ain't funny, but this is when I start looking at shit side-eye, because the only person guaranteed to win in that situation is the one that's charging you. Simple rule of thumb. No real receipts, no real trust. I already know somebody gonna be like, you just not in the group, bro. People making money. Cool. Then show everything. And I do mean everything. Wins, losses, full track record, not just the highlights, because if it's only just highlights, that's not investing, that's marketing. I got a job for you. Open up your portfolio right now. Pick one stock you own. Now ask yourself, why you buy it? When you selling it? And when you add more? If you don't know, say that. That's where you actually start learning. Follow Chief Ron Nock on X, that's spelled N-O-C-K, and post your answer. Don't just sit here and watch. Do some work. Now, I ain't gonna stay on this part too long because it needs its own video, but this is how I start. You come for the stock, you stay for the identity. Now you're not investing, you repping. XRP Army, Sheep Army, and you're an ape, all at the same damn time. Now you're thinking all over the place. We're gonna break that down deeper in another video though. But if you can't leave, you ain't even thinking. And I already know somebody gonna be like, community cool, yeah, but not when it replaces your brain. It's all the same cycle. You lose, you confuse, then here comes somebody selling you the solution. Pain, then pitch. And yeah, nobody forced you, but don't sit there and act like you wasn't influenced either. Both can be true. And shout out to the TDP. If you in here, hit the thumbs down real quick. The smart way to do this shit is boring. And it's supposed to be. You make money, you save money, you invest money, you repeat. That's it. I learned this the hard way. Impatience, shortcuts, and bad habits. I was chasing names instead of building mine. And if I'm ever wrong about anything I say on this channel, I'll say it because I actually want the truth. Remember this shit. Every dollar is a soldier fighting to keep you and your future out of poverty. So why the fuck would you want to play with your soldiers? Now, if you want to learn how to think for yourself when it comes to stocks and crypto, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and learn here for free 99. Because once you start thinking for yourself, the whole story falls apart.